G'day everyone! Today we will dive into the world of generative AI and I will introduce you to a very powerful tool known as ChatGPT.
For BAs, learning new concepts and domain knowledge is inevitable. This video will show you easy and effective ways to use ChatGPT for learning new things fast.
ChatGPT is like a digital conversation partner. You interact with it by typing questions or topics, and it responds in text. For example, if you are curious about cooking, you can ask, "How do I make banh mi?" or seek information on any subject from science to history. ChatGPT draws on vast knowledge to provide you with detailed answers and explanations. AI's power depends on the user. To use AI effectively, we need to dive into the cognitive load theory, which is constructed around the three critical phases: construct, connect, and challenge.
In the construct phase, our primary focus is on how we collect relevant information. It's crucial to understand that not all data is equally valuable. Imagine learning to play the guitar. It is most beneficial to start with fundamental concepts, just as one learns the string names. Gradually, we progress to more complex topics, saving us time and frustration. One of the most effective ways to utilize ChatGPT is to engage in a role-playing scenario. Imagine you are an expert in data analysis topic and I am a beginner. How would you recommend creating a syllabus and a lesson plan to help me learn this subject effectively? This approach significantly reduces cognitive load by constructing our learning process. It streamlines the learning process, making it more organized and manageable. To take it a step further, you can ask ChatGPT to provide a bullet point list of all the key topics and concepts I should explore to get a comprehensive understanding of the subject. Please explain the significance of each item on the list. And there you go! Remember that you can also add a new concept that you are learning about. Let's dive into a practical data analysis scenario. Imagine we are exploring the concept of data normalization. Please explain the concept of data normalization in simple terms suitable for beginners, and then clarify the significance of the concept within the broader context of data analysis. In this case, the focus isn't just on offering a definition or analogy, but instead, the emphasis is on promoting critical thinking. When we encounter a concept for the first time, understanding the why behind is crucial. It forms a connection to the main idea, ensuring that every subsequent data analysis concept aligns coherently with the initial one. Next is the connect phase. This is a phase where we begin to fill in the skeletal structure that we have created. The aim is to establish relationships between concepts. Think of it as connecting different components within a process. How does this concept relate to others? What are the similarities and differences? This is where AI comes into play, simplifying the process of identifying these connections. For instance, you can initiate this prompt. Create a table for comparing and contrasting two data analysis techniques, say regression analysis and clustering. Then clarify the significance of the relationship between these concepts and how it helps in comprehending the broader understanding of data analysis. This prompt holds immense power as it dives into the relationship between the techniques, focusing on both their commonalities and disparities. It provides a valuable perspective that ties back to the overarching context. But what if you find yourself unsure of what elements to compare? Here is an alternative prompt to kickstart the process. Assist me in exploring additional data analysis concepts related to this topic. Create a table that highlights both similarities and differences among them and explain in plain terms why these relationships are important. This approach encourages a comprehensive exploration of data analysis concepts and their connection, ensuring that you get the bigger picture of the field. In the final phase, which is challenge phase, we engage in critical evaluation, much like solving business problems. ChatGPT can create customized sets of questions to test your knowledge, just like BAs handle complex issues in their jobs. Let's apply these concepts to data analysis, for instance. Begin with a prompt like this. Imagine you are a data analysis instructor. Create a 10-question practice test focused on data visualization techniques to assess my comprehensions of this topic. You can interchange short answer questions with multiple choice questions to vary the testing format. After taking the test, follow up with this prompt. I have just completed the test. Please provide me with the correct answers, accompanied by detailed explanations of why they are accurate, and point out common mistakes made by respondents who answer incorrectly. You are not just seeking a detailed thought process behind the correct answers. You are also evaluating where you might stumble or where others might get tripped up. This process challenges you and introduces different perspectives you might not have considered. Here is another impactful prompt. I would like to evaluate the accuracy of my thought process, offer feedback on the strengths and weaknesses of my understanding, and suggest additional areas to explore for a more comprehensive perspective. And then type your thought below. This prompt is particularly valuable as it compels you to articulate what you have learned in your own words. You are forcing yourself to engage in critical thinking. In the second part of the prompt, you are also seeking feedback to fill the gaps. It is essential to recognize that AI is not a magic wand. It should be viewed as a knowledgeable colleague rather than a replacement for independent thinking. While AI excels in book-smart knowledge, it may lack a practical, street-smart experience required in the business context. For business analysts, AI can be a powerful tool. It complements the analytical skills of the BAs and can enhance their problem-solving skills. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you next time. Bye!